Good day everyone. So for today's video, we are going to install Windows Server 2008 R2 standard x64-bit. So we are going to do that in a virtual box because my brother will going to kill me if I do it in his PC. So I have already installed my Oracle virtual box, and I also have my OS available in ISO image. So first, let's open our virtual box here. So a moment ago, this virtual box can only handle 32-bit, but I have adjusted it to the use of fixing the BIOS setup and enabling the SVM just for virtualization to enable the 64-bit 2008 option. So here, let's put the name of Windows environment. Then let's put the memory size into this. Okay. Then here we're going to get a 15-bit hard space, just in case, and then click there. So from here, let's check the settings and the system. In the boot order, it is the list of the things that you want to prioritize booting. So usually I should pick the USB. However, this is a virtual machine and there is no USB that is in the list, so we're going to prioritize hard disk. In the storage option, click this empty with an optical drive icon, and then click this optical drive icon, and then choose a virtual optical disk and click this Windows Server 2008 R2 times 64, which is an ISO file image. Open, click, and then choose. As you can see, the file is here, and then after that, the network, put it in the internal network, and then click OK. Now, click again this our machine here, and then check the descriptions. If you feel satisfied, then let's start. As you can see, this is what will happen if we are actually installing a Server 2008 R2 in our desktop. So this is what will pop up. So choose your language, then there's a format, and then next, and then click install now. Here you can see the operating system that we want to install, and we are looking for this Windows Server 2008 R2 standard 64-bit. So, next. And here, I accept the license terms like that, and then click next. And here, which type of installation do you want? Custom. So, this is where the partitioning will happen. Now we're going to click the disk 0 unallocated disk space, and then new. Here we're going to partition them. 2000 maybe up here and there. So this is the C and this is the D. Then after that we're going to click next, and then the installation process will continue. So I'll have to wait until this bar goes here. Until this bar goes until here. So after the setting up of our OS, it will ask us to change our password. So let's click OK and set our password. Our password will be Christian at 1245. Put our password here. Christian at 12345. Anything password, and then your password should be changed. So after that, we'll go to our desktop where our test is. So here, this is our desktop. Properties. Now, this is the OS that we have installed in this PC. So that's pretty much it for installing Windows Server 2008 R2 Standard and 64-bit in a virtual box. So thank you for watching and see you next time.